This is Nextbase IQ, your perfect travel companion. This little gadget is a revolution for dash cams. Say hello to the smart camera with smart sense parking, witness mode, and so much more. And today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to set up. No fancy tools or trip to the mechanic. All right, let's get started. Inside this box, you'll find the main device, the IQ camera, the black car power cable that most people will use to install, and this connects the device to the car's OBD connector. You'll also find a red hardwire cable if you want to install the IQ to your fuse box. And lastly, the fitting tool to help you during the installation process. This next generation dashcam has a forward-facing camera as well as a cabin view camera that records the view on the inside of your car. The first step is to scan the QR code on the box to get access to the Nextbase IQ app. Once the app is downloaded and installed, you'll find detailed instructions that will take you through the entire process of installing the device. The Nextbase IQ app allows you to live view, get notifications, and much more. Once the app has been downloaded, we're going to begin the installation process and connect your device to the power cable. Place your device halfway through your dashboard and connect to the other end of the cable to your OBD connector. The OBD connector allows the IQ to connect to the car's power for features such as smart sense parking, as well as powering the device on the move. You can usually find the OBD socket under the dashboard, the passenger side, or the driver's door. If you need help locating your OBD socket, you can find the instructions in your vehicle's user manual or contact Nextbase support for assistance. Once you've located the OBD socket, carefully insert the IQ power cable to the port. When the device is connected to your car's battery, the light on top of your IQ will turn on. As soon as it's powered up, you'll see a QR code pop up on the screen. If it doesn't light up straight away, try turning on your engine to make sure your device is getting access to your car's power. Now we can begin mounting your Nextbase IQ. To mount the camera, we need to prepare the windshield first. Wipe the screen with an alcohol pad and let it dry. Take the red backing sticker off and firmly attach the device to your window. The best place to mount it is near the mirror on the passenger side. Ensure that it's in a location that allows the cabin camera to see clearly and doesn't obstruct the driver's view. The antennas on the side can also be adjusted according to your car's design. It can point up or down towards the dashboard. To change their direction, pull them out and reinsert them to face the desired direction. Now that the IQ is ready to go, you can begin tucking away the cables to make a neat install. We want to find a pathway from the front camera down so there's no slack on the cable. Starting at the IQ end, I'm going to tuck in the cable down by the side of the dashboard. This allows any spare cable to be hidden near the OBD port. Okay, so now we've installed the front camera, we can go ahead and attach the rear camera. Installing the rear camera is simple. Place the camera on the rear window in your desired position and route the cable along the rooftop lining using the fitting tool. The rear camera connects to the front IQ using the cable provided. Make sure the camera has a view unobstructed by heating elements. Your IQ also comes with an SD card that stores all of your videos, as well as uploading the footage to your cloud. The SD card can be taken out to transfer the data to a different device or upgraded to a larger size to save more footage. To take your SD card out, simply flip back the cover on the side of the unit and click the card in. This will release it from the IQ. And there you have it. 2 cameras mounted, front and back, and your Nextbase IQ is ready to go.